Howdy, howdy, howdy. So, last week I was doing a live feed and somebody asked about the Peavey amp, and I come to realize that there was a problem with it. It wouldn't make sound. This is a very sad situation. So, today we're going to prepare to repair, and I'm going to work towards fixing it. So, here we go. First off, let's see, can you see it? No, all I can see is my gut. Let's see. This isn't a gut busting show. No, this is a Peavey fix-it show. Well, there's the Peavey. Built circa 1985. That's the Solo Series Bandit. So now, I have it plugged in. Okay, now I turn it on. Now when I turn it off, it's supposed to make a pop. It makes no pop. So I turn it back on. Now I got to figure out what's going on with it. Well, what's the engineering way to figure out what's going on with something? Yes, exactly. Shake cords. I'm going to shake the power cord. Okay, I hear nothing. So, what I'm going to instead do is go back behind the speaker and shake some speaker cords. You can see I don't have the largest space in the world to work with, but it should be ample for the job that needs to be done. Of course, I don't want to crush the Ibanez in the process. Okay, so here we go. Oops. No, it won't go back that far, will it? So I haven't been taping very often lately because of the fact that I'm back to work now. But right now I'm off work. So let's turn it off. Grab it. It's kind of heavy. Okay. So now what we do is we turn it on. So what I'm trying for is a hiss. That's what I'm trying for. So I'm going to reach back here. Maybe I could. This thing's wired on. Aren't I just the world's greatest filmologist? Okay. Go here, take a look. Ah! I found the problem. Right there. Right there. Those two wires were touching. Very smart wiring job, I must say. Well, looks like this is a job for the engineer's favorite tool. See that pop? Engineer's favorite tool in the world. So I'm going to turn this around so I could show off to you guys my insane repair skills. Wow, look at that. Look at that, will you? Just unbelievable. Let's put you down at amp level so you all can see what's going on here. See those two wires? They were touching. You don't want positive and negative touching. This turned out to be a pretty easy amp fix job. So what we do is we take some of this engineering material, high quality stuff, go in, and look at that. Oh my goodness. Talk about one complicated repair. Wow. Blows my mind. Okay. Now we go here, do the same thing. Sure they're both sectioned off really nicely. And then this way, during a live feed, if somebody asks me to display a piece of equipment, this being the equipment, this will really work. Okay, so now this here has the Eminence Wizard. So it's got an efficiency of 75 watts. This is a 65 watt amp, so there's definitely a whole lot of enough headroom there. 8 ohms. And premium British tone. This is a great speaker. I actually had it in the Roland BC60, but it was a bit too harsh for that amp. But it's perfect for this amp. And I'll show you here in a second. Yay, it works. Okay. So there it is in all its glory. Alrighty then. Let's hear this sucker. See, now I've got my guitar run into this BC60 over here. Now I'm going to run it into this amp. Okay. And I'm running the Strat. Alright, so I'm going to go in. I'm going to turn down our post. Turn down our pre, turn everything off, because I haven't worked this amp in a while, so when you're not entirely sure what controls do what, you want to be on the safe side. Alright, so now let's see, what do we want to do? I want to use our, I think I'd probably use most of the preamp gain. Well, now isn't that a problem? Wasn't that easy a fix, was it? Probably because I had turned off the power strip. Okay. I'm gonna have to fix those pots next. Hear that? Hear that crackle? The thing about see me? Okay. So the thing about this amplifier is that it has a very fast response. Meaning that, and let's see, I'll try to move this back so you could see me and it, get kind of an idea of how fast it actually responds. So, I mean, no latency, just about. That makes it very good for what type of music? It makes it good for funk. So when I turn up the guitar, So it's good for that type of phrasing. And what I would do is I would put a boost in front of it. I use something like the OCD with the volume just cranked or whatever. Pop it in front of that amp and it would give a really nice front end gain. But you do get an idea what it sounds like with the Strat. Now if I put it down here. It has kind of a Marshall-y type bite to it as well, which is nice. Now, I don't really have the EQ dialed in much, so I've got the mids cranked. I got this. I mean, that looks like a pretty good curve. I'll probably take down the presence a bit. Now, if I want more saturation, you get 80s style saturation. So it's not like putting a boost in front of it. Not a whole ton of sustain, but it still sounds pretty good. Crank up that. Of course, you need the right curve for that, so you take down your mids. Yeah, it's just not right for that. I need a boost. Definitely have to use a boost. So, I mean, that's got enough grit right there. Of course, I need the right EQ curve back, so go there. Bring down the post a bit. So, yeah, I like it. So, yeah, I guess that's it. It works. I have to do something about that post knob. Maybe it'll be video worthy, but I think I had a hard time actually getting to the knobs. I think I would have had to do like some serious teardown to pull them out, because what I'd really do is pull the actual volume knob out completely. Open it up, blow it out, close it back up, and then they work just perfectly fine. But it's still quite usable. So yeah, maybe the next jam or something I'll use it. So there you go. Hope you enjoyed it. Mission successful.